Hi there, this is Antoinette Sykes, and I am excited to come to you today. But I want to talk to you about where you are in your business. You see, if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I have been laid off 2 times. So I've been thrust into this world of entrepreneurship, so to speak. I had started my business alongside my full-time corporate job, but I did not, take full advantage of that. But fast forward, when the last recession hit or when the last layoff happened, it happened around the time of the recession. And I knew then that it was sink or swim. And I'm still here, so you see that I did not sink, even though I felt like I've had some sinking moments. But I want to speak to you today. Those of you who may be feeling like you don't know where you're going, where you maybe feel like you're on a hamster wheel, where you have all this brilliant information, all of this knowledge and wisdom and expertise and experience that you're pouring into your business, but maybe it's not organized in the right fashion that's bringing you a profit. Well, I know something about that because for a while I chased my tail, but it wasn't until I wised up and I had to really sit under a mentor and do something that, honestly, it was like a coming to Jesus moment. I'm very aggressive, very outgoing, and one of the things that I prided myself on when I was in corporate America was to always have a mentor. Whether a mentor up close and personal or from afar, that I could follow the bouncing ball of that person to see what they were doing, where they were going, and to always set my sights on going further. And that fell by the wayside because initially when I got laid off, I had to sink or swim. So you go into this survival mode, which is what I did. But now, after investing with, mentors, programs, all of the above, and just truly investing in myself and in my business to make it viable, I have seen a huge, huge shift and a huge return. And I want the same thing for you. So I'm offering you a resource. If you are in a position right now where you know that you cannot do this thing by yourself, where you know that you cannot focus without someone really holding you accountable, if you need structure and templates and you really just need to see the blueprint of how to get from where you are to get to where you want to go in the next 6 months, then I'm speaking directly to you. You see, I believe we've all been gifted with divine gifts and talents, and we all have a responsibility here while we are on this earth to fulfill that mission. And mine is to help women entrepreneurs to really step up, be bold, be seen, and accelerate their growth. And that means making money. Because I don't know if you know it or not, but we are at the top of the leaderboard for poverty. That's right. Women are at the top of the leaderboard for poverty. So part of my mission, part of my business, part of my purpose of why I do what I do is to really help women to not be a part of that statistic, to really break some traditions, to really break some generational traditions as well. If you're the first one to go to college, if you're the first one to be a business owner, the first one not to be in debt, you name it. It's time to you be the first. You be the first. And I want to help you. So I've created a very special place for women to join me in a semi-private group experience for the next 6 months. Because I believe that when you start now, you're going to see the dividends in 6 months or sooner. But what I don't want you to do is wait until the end of the summer to then start planting seeds and expect that you're going to see a big return. It's like harvesting. You plant the seeds, you water the seeds continuously, and they start to sprout, right? So that's exactly what we do in our business. So you start to plan right now. You get the plan in motion each day, each week, each month. You take steps in your marketing. There are different pieces of the pie that you need to be doing consistently and continually, concisely. And I want to help you. So if that's you, if you're no longer willing to play small, if you are ready to step up and use your God-given gifts and talents, if you are earning less than $50,000 in your business right now, and if you need support in the form of a coach, in the form of tools and strategies, and just a cheerleader as well, but definitely I offer you some firm love every now and then, I do, then I'm speaking directly to you. Because it wasn't until I made a no excuses approach and fully stepped into my life, into my business, that I began to see growth, that I began to see the sunshine again after all the transitions, and to really just be on the other side. To be on the other side. So I want that for you. It's time for you to grow your business, girl. So I'm offering you this experience and a resource. So if you know that you are in that position right now, then visit goantoinette.com for more information and sign up. I look forward to having you. And if I can help you with any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.